My name is Janine Wood. I did my remote pilot's license about 7 years ago, and I've been in the industry training. What I love most about drone technology is there's just so many amazing opportunities available for those that are really looking at doing this as a career. We're using drones just about in every single industry you can possibly think of. So this is an amazing opportunity to your first step forward.
My name is Fraser.
The trends at the moment is that there's such a great demand for people with these skills. So I highly recommend that if you're thinking about it, just to go for it, because the options are endless.